Good day to you, all my friends. Welcome back to One-Footed Phoenix. I want to show you guys that this is my authentic life. I don't want it to be like I'm always just looking good for the camera. And I also hope to next week have an update on how surgery's going. This week I did a lumbar sympathetic block and a ketamine treatment. Oh my gosh, like so many needles in 2 days. I was just like, stop poking me, I'm not a pincushion. The ketamine treatment was definitely rougher than the lumbar sympathetic block, mostly because of the nature of ketamine. And ketamine is considered to be like a pretty high-powered drug and a pretty high-powered hallucinogen. They did have me take some CBD prior to the treatment, which I think definitely helped with dizziness, nausea, and things that can come from ketamine. For me personally, I usually will have like an hour or two after treatment where like I just feel like absolute crap and I pretty much just sleep. So it does wipe me out pretty much the entire day to do a ketamine treatment. However, I did it because of all the treatments that I did prior to amputation that pushed the CRPS line down enough that the amputation could be successful. Now, that said, like even though the amputation has been successful to a degree in getting rid of some of my pain, it's been very minimal up to this point. And largely a lot of my pain is along the nerve line that's being pinched right now. So I am hopeful for the future that this surgery is going to go well, but definitely also nervous because there's that added risk of waking CRPS or complex regional pain syndrome back up. And that's a scary prospect for me where like I literally amputated my leg to get away from the hell that is CRPS. I would appreciate the prayers this week. If you're not a religious person, that's okay too, you know, like you can wish me well, you can say something nice, anything you do is gonna make an impact for me. And I thank you very much for all of your kindness and support through this journey, because oh man, oh boy, has it been quite the wild ride since amputation even.